open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in.
Hey babes, welcome back to Blindly Honestly, and if you are new, I really hope you enjoyed today's video as well. So earlier this week, I had posted a poll asking if you guys would rather see a full face makeup with brand new products, how I keep my hair bright, or another foundation review. And the foundation review video and the hair video were very close in the poll, but the hair video ended up winning. So that is why I am currently standing in my shower. I know it's a very weird backdrop this week, I know, but I couldn't figure out how else to show you guys how I keep my hair blue because I do it in the shower. It's just a conditioner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into it. I'm not gonna talk much just because, as you can tell, my voice is still not 100%. I have not gotten it back yet because I lost it earlier this week, so it is kind of coming back, but not really. So I'm just not going to talk too much. So I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So step one is just shampoo, and I use Nexus Color Assure Color Vibrancy System. So after I shampoo, I go ahead and put on gloves because this product does stain your tub, so make sure you glove up. So the part you've all been waiting for, what I use to keep my hair blue. So this product is called Overtone, and I use Vibrant Blue, but sometimes I do jump over to the Extreme Blue. It is very, very blue. So because I like a lighter blue, I take this L'Oreal E5, and this is Totally Repair 5 Damage Cream. And I just take a little bit in my hand, and then I take the Overtone, so I mix it with this. So I mix it together to get the perfect blue shade for me, and just run it through. So like I said, this product does stain, but any cleaner with bleach will take it right out. So I'm just going to continue with my whole head now. I think we're pretty steamy, huh? So I turned the water off because you're supposed to let this sit for anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes. So while I let this sit in my hair for a little bit, I'm going to talk to you through the steam covered window. So Overtone products are non-damaging and contain no lightening agents. Results are very depending on a varying of factors, including hair health and starting hair color. So if your hair is dark brown and you put the blue over it, it's not going to do anything. I'm sorry, it's just not. You may get a really pretty overcast to your hair, but it's not going to turn as bright blue as, say, mine. This is not a hair dye per se, but it has pigment in it that deposits onto your hair, which is why when it hits your shower and sits there, it stains. I really wish it was non-staining, but like I said, any shower cleaner or kitchen cleaner with bleach in it will take it right out. So I use this every time I wash my hair, just like a regular conditioner, and I do mix it with the L'Oreal E5 just because it brightens up the blue a little bit, because I don't want like a dark purpley blue. On top of that, I also have Deep Treatment Conditioner, which is supposed to be used once a week. I use it about once a month just because it is a very, very dark pigment, and it's really good for like touching up your roots and all that. or you can also use this on dry hair to dye it. This brand has, I believe, 10 different colors. They have red, pink, orange, yellow, green, silver, teal, and I think the newest one is rose gold. But they also, you can mix and match your colors for a certain color you want your hair. I used to mix purple and pink together, and I also used to mix purple and blue together for my different hairstyles. I've been using this brand for over 2 years now for every color that I've been. If you've been on my YouTube for long enough or my Instagram, you know my hair has been almost every color under the sun except red. I'm not a big red fan. But I have been using this and I have been a loyal customer with them since I started dyeing my hair, just because it is so easy to use. You don't have to go to the salon numerous times to touch up your hair over and over again. I do still go in every few months to get my roots touched up, but honestly right now I haven't gone in a while just because I don't have a job, so I don't have the money to go in and get my hair touched up. Which is where overtone comes into play and why I love it so much, because you can skip the salon and just keep your hair up and it'll still put a blue tone to your dark roots. Like I said, it's not going to dye your roots because there's no lightening agent in it, but it is going to put some of that blue tone to it. Alright, so it has been about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and rinse my hair out, and then I will blow dry and I will see you guys in my regular room, so I can get you guys out of my bathroom because this is just awkward. So I'm going to rinse it out and I will see you guys after I blow dry. I really need to clean my room. So this is my hair completely blow dried and it is touched up, especially compared to my, if you guys watched my last video, that's when I noticed my hair really needed to get touched up. And so the blue is brighter and it's all I used was the blue overtone with the L'Oreal Elvive deep conditioner to lighten up the blue, because they don't quite have the right shade blue that I want. Their color scheme goes extreme, vibrant, and neon. So it's like extreme blue, vibrant blue, and neon blue. The neon blue is almost too teal for me, and I did do teal for a little bit too, but it just wasn't working for me. The conditioner is $18. You can also spend $28 and get the big tub of the deep conditioner. That one you can use once a week. The regular conditioner is usable every single day. I'm lazy, so I only wash my hair like once or twice a week. I know I'm bad, but I mean, there's worse. So, and I use dry conditioner, dry shampoo, so it's not that bad. If you guys have any more questions about the overtone that I didn't answer in the video, go ahead and put them in the comments down below. I love talking to you guys. I will also link this website down below so you guys can check them out too, so you can see all the different colors and their color collections that you guys can choose from. If you guys like this video, please do me a favor and like it. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notifications when I post new videos, because you like my videos, don't ya? Obviously you do if you're watching this one. I post every Friday and I am trying to post every Wednesday as well. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you will get that notification. So before my voice cracks out even more, I'm going to go ahead and get going. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's video. Love you. Bye.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm